sleeping. Time check, 7 o'clock. Because it's holiday. Sophia is sleeping. Things good. Sweetie, what happened? Too much noisy. Not listening to mommy, huh? Not listening? You want some pal? I will slap you. Huh? Give thanks to the Lord above. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ. And now let me feel, see that I'm true. Let the fools say I am rich because of what the Lord has come to you. Give thanks. Give thanks to the Lord above. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ. And now Guys, I'm done cleaning guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys. Because today is the holiday, no? Itong this tree, oh my God. Many people from far away, they come here to pick up my flowers. Kasi yung pang dasal-dasal ba, your prayer. This one guys. And then, if we are the one to pick up, no more nga. Because neighbor and little bit far, they will come away to pick up the harvest. We plant already this one. My husband plant long time. And then, it's okay also because they're using for the prayer, no problem. But it's too much, like they will bring with the bag, plastic bag, and too much. You know, no more flowers now. Even in the app, they will take that one, pick up, and then put it. Now I'm planning to cut this one. I will cut some the branches so that it will grow again, especially in the down one because sometimes maybe there's insect. Diba? Ito tinananim oh. Ito naman mga flower na to kahit saan naman to. Nilagay ko lang to. Nilagay ko lang dito para at least maganda. Meron naman to sa atin, diba? Meron to sa atin sa Pilipinas. Merong ano, like a purple. Nilagay ko talaga yan dito para at least in case na. Kasi dito sa Nepal, always silang nagpre-pray with flower like this. Kailangan may flower. Tapos doon sa kabila, nilagyan ko din dito. Ako din nagtanom dito guys. Diba ang ganda ng mga flower. Ako din nagtanom nito. Dito at saka doon doon banda. Inihilira ko talaga lahat yan. Magtaka ka na lang guys, every morning, nandito na mga marites. Kasi, nagkukuha na siya ng flower. Itong naman, struggle is life to. Kasi ano to sa lamok. Mawala ang lamok kapag ma-pick up lang ako, lagay ko sa kwarto or whatever. Mawawala ang lamok. Ayaw nila nitong amoy na to. Ang kontra ko naman dito, ang kanding. Kasi yung goat always eating this. Especially the goat is always passing here. Oh, this is for today muna guys. Bye-bye. Love you. Oh, ano pa yan? Mag-construction work kayo muna guys. Oh my God. Nakabaliw. Shout out sa mga construction worker. Ang hirap. Diyos ko, Mama Mia. Nahilo ako. Kaya guys, nagmasa ako. Oh my God! Nahirapan ako sa kalisod. Nakita nyo ba guys? Yung pala ko. Kasi, ilagay ko dito kasi yung aso ko, oh my God. Grabe. Disaster na talaga guys. See? Ang aking dirty kitchen. Talagang dirty talaga. It's dirty because it's called dirty kitchen. My dog is coming this area. That's why I have the sand and then small cement. I do because my husband is busy. Diba? It's all disaster guys. Oh, see? They will go there to my garden and then they will magkakalat-kalat sila sa garden ko guys. See my sweet potato already damaged because this dog, they're making, I don't know what they're doing there. From my dirty kitchen to there, that's why. Nagmasa si Inday. Oh my God. Guys, tabang. Kakapoy di ay. Shout out sa mga construction working dyan. I salute you all. Yung kamay ko, ito lang inanuhan ko guys. This all because my dog is going to garden. My God. Every day I have attention. Dito nilagyan ko lahat. ng cement. Oh, hayaan mo na yan siya guys. Oh. Sa gilid-gilid lang. Tapos, kapag matuyo na, ang ginilinisin ko dito banda. Yan lang muna. Kasi hindi na yun sa ano, may kunti na lang pero naubusan na ako ng cement. O ito, shout out sa mga construction worker, very hard working po. Ang pagod pala nun, to mixing only the sand and this, what they call this one? Cement. Oh my God. This is it. I-update ko kayo kapag ano na dry. O yung kamay ng aking kamay, di ba? Ay, my God, may nahulog na naman na lemon. Look at guys, may nahulog na naman lemon there. Oh. Kasi all my dog kasi guys, alam niyo naman, I have 4 dogs. Ngayon, kaninang umaga, oh my God, talagang inano yung garden ko. Winasak lahat o pati yung sweet potato ko. Ang hirap ng mga ano. Pero okay lang kasi security guard ko naman yan sa night time eh. Kaya, ginanyan ko yan. Nilagyan ko ng trapal guys kasi kapag uulan, papasok dito ang tubig. Kaya for the meantime, sorry muna sa kalat guys kasi this area, this is the workplace of my husband. Meron naman siyang easy for repairing. Tapos may generator for repairing kaya I need to work out this area. Kasi para easy lang sa kanya yung mga equipment niya lahat-lahat. Nagkalat guys kasi yung aso nga pumasok dito sa kanyang office na ano. Yung sa refrigerator. Ang dami talaga. Kaya tinodo ko na to na ano linisin. Tatanggalin ko na lang tong mga carpet. See? Ang dumi guys. Oh, yung ilaw. Tatanggalin ko tong carpet. Tapos ano. Oh, tingnan nyo. Pinagagawa ng aking aso. Ang daming kalat. Kaya that's it for today. Be kind. I love you all. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.